Our next experiment is called elephant's toothpaste. So I wonder how many of you all have mixed together baking soda and vinegar at your house, and if you've ever seen the reaction that occurs with baking soda and vinegar. Well, today we're going to be doing something a little bit different, and if it goes right, we should have a small amount of something that looks sort of like that same experiment. So first I'm going to add some hydrogen peroxide. This is more concentrated than the last one we did. More concentrated than the hydrogen peroxide you have at home. Next, I'm going to try and add 2 drops of dish soap. The dish soap is pretty viscous, so it's coming out slowly. I have some red food coloring and some blue food coloring. I like purple, so I'm going to put a few drops of both. So as you can see here, I have a little bit of purple liquid down here. And next, I'm going to add sodium iodide. Is everyone ready? Let's see what happens. So cool. So as you can see, 2 of the reactants mixed together and made a bunch of gas, a bunch of foam, and we get something that looks like elephant's toothpaste.